back with Jasmine, and now we're gonna take this glam look and we're just gonna pump it up into a dramatic look. Jasmine says she likes to go full on when she goes dramatic. She likes sparkles, she likes dark. And so we're gonna take it there, but I'm gonna show you in a really kind of easy and quick way. I'm using the Master Pro Pigment Pencil in the shade Super Black. In that same place where I used the brown earlier, I'm gonna now just go over with black. I'm not gonna hold back as much now since I know that we're doing a more dramatic look. And I'm going to flip it over. I'm gonna go really thick with that line and just blend up and out again. I love to be able to not have to be so precise with the line. You can just go really quickly. You can be even a little messy, and then you just flip it over and you soften it. And it immediately looks more symmetrical and it looks softer and it has a more sultry look. And what I love about this pencil is that it really allows you, if you can notice, I'm still blending it and hasn't kind of gripped completely yet and stuck. But as soon as I'm done blending this now, it's going to grip beautifully and it's gonna stay exactly where you put it. I'm going to take the Master Metallics now, and I'm gonna go with this beautiful, deep, sort of slate, dark gray or shimmery black. And I'm just going right over that pencil. And again, like earlier, when you put the pencil as a base, it grabs the shadow really nicely. And it gives you incredible lasting power. A little bit of shade 12 from the Master Metallics. I'm gonna go right back into there. I'm gonna take Master Crystal Reflector in Citrine with my finger. And to finish off, I'm gonna just take shade number 8 to her cheekbones. Okay, I'm just adding some finishing touches to the dramatic look. And that completes our dramatic look on Jasmine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you loved it. Do you love it?
I think it's gorgeous. I love it.
She's ready for the red carpet or for a Zoom call. Hey everyone, so we have our glam look on Fatuma, and now we're gonna take the glam look into a more dramatic look. I'm gonna start by using the Master Pigment Pro Pencil in Super Black, and I'm gonna go along the lower lash line to create some drama. And I'm just gonna smoke this out with the other end of the pencil. Now I'm gonna go along the upper inner eyelid. This tickles a bit. I'm just gonna lift the eye up and just get that black pencil right in there. That gives the ultimate definition. You take the Master Pigment Pro Pencil in the perfect brown, and I'm just gonna smoke out both sides of her eyelid, but not the center. I'm gonna do that with the pencil here, and I'm going to use the E5 brush just to blend that in. When you're creating a more dramatic look, don't be afraid to add color into this inner eye area here. I'm going to take the E3 brush now, and I'm going to mix shades 9 and 10. I'm gonna go right over that. I'm not putting any darkness on the center of the lid, I'm just keeping it on the outer corners. I'm going to take the Master Prep and Set in Deep. This is the lighter shade of the two. And I'm using the flat side of the EF1 brush. I'm just going to apply that here as a little base. And now I'm going to take the Master Crystal Reflector in Citrine, just with the tip of my finger. And the Master Crystal Reflector Quartz, just right on top of that. And then I'm going to blend that with a brush. I'm going to take the black shade from the Master Mattes. And so I just created a little spotlight with the Crystal Reflector, adding a little bit of the secret glow and expensive just on the very high points of the face. All right, everyone, that is it for our dramatic look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Love it. Which one was your favorite, natural, glam, or dramatic?
I think this was my favorite.
Yeah, so you're a dramatic girl.
Yeah.
She's a drama queen. And now we are going to take this glam look on Michelle, and we are going to turn it into a dramatic look. First, going to intensify the inner corners with the Master Matte's brightening pencil just a bit, but more so on the lower inner corners. And then I'm going to connect that into the inside. I think I will take the Master Metals palette. I'm going to drop a little bit of our Master Metal Manipulator in there. I'm going to take just a little bit of that silver. And I'm going to line basically where I was applying that brightening pencil. You could use this wet or dry. I'm just using it wet with the manipulator because I'd like it to work as a metal liner. So Since we did sort of like a pinky eye before, I'm gonna actually go in that same direction, and I'm gonna take the rose gold shade, apply it right above the black liner. And so if you're using this for personal use, you don't have to scrape the shadows into it. You can just kind of go directly into the shadow like this. So Michelle told me she likes to have her lower lids smoked out. She likes when she has color on her lower lids. So I'm gonna take the Master Metals, smoke out, similar to how we did on the top. I'm just gonna do it on the bottom this time. So for me, this is dramatic. I know that a lot of you guys on my Instagram are gonna think this is completely natural morning makeup, as you tell me in my comments often. But this is, in reality, this is pretty dramatic makeup. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Master Secret Glow. So I'm just adding a little bit of the glow to her cheeks. And I'm gonna take a little bit with my finger as well and just put some on the lid. I'm gonna just finish off with a tiny bit on the lips. A little bit of the Master Metal Manipulator in the rose gold shade in the Master Metals with my E4 brush. And I'm gonna just make the look monochromatic. I'm gonna add just a little bit to the lips, almost like a lip liner. I'm just gonna pick up with the rose gold on the eyes and just a tiny bit on the lips here. All right, that is it. We have went on Michelle from natural to glam to dramatic. This is our final dramatic look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are inspired to play and try your own versions of natural, glam, and dramatic as well.